guys, in today's video I'm going to show you hacks of Gemini 2.5 Pro that 99% of the users don't know. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj, and did you know that Gemini 2.5 Pro can analyze an entire YouTube video in seconds and give you a perfect summary, or that it can create a complete website for you with just a link or screenshots? Well guys, those are just the beginning of capabilities of Google's most intelligent AI. According to Google, Gemini 2.5 Pro is the most intelligent AI, and you can create engaging content for social media, create real-time analysis of anything on your screen, and even turn your webcam into a smart assistant that can see and understand whatever you show it. What makes Gemini 2.5 Pro truly revolutionary is its massive context window of 1 million tokens. That is roughly equivalent to 750,000 words or about 1500 pages of text. This means you can upload 1500 pages of text into Gemini at once and it will analyze that for you. So guys, we will look at all these features of Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I will also tell you how can you integrate them in your daily life. And guys, most importantly, I have a bonus tip for you towards the end, so make sure you watch the complete video. Now let us dive into these game-changing features one by one, starting with what I call multimodal magic. What is multimodal magic, guys? It is Gemini's ability to process almost any type of content simultaneously. Most people don't realize that Gemini can process any type of content. You can throw text, images, audio, or even video, and it can handle enormous amount of information all at once. Let me show you one of my favorite use case. Let us say I don't have time to watch this video. So I simply copied the YouTube link and pasted it into Gemini and asked for a focus summary. In about 60 seconds, Gemini had understood the goals, identified the core topics, identified the key themes and arguments, filtered what is most important, and drafted a summary by incorporating key themes and focus points. And the best part is, guys, it did a final check before giving me a summary. With this, you can get summaries of your boring lectures or any other useful video within minutes, which can save you a lot of time. Now let us move to the second hack, guys. The second hack is what I call as content enhancement, guys. Using Gemini, you can dramatically improve your existing content rather than creating it from scratch. In today's time, everyone wants to create content on LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. And the major problem faced by majority is that they feel their content is not good enough. This is where Gemini 2.5 Pro comes into picture, guys. Let's say I have this draft blog post about personal finance, and that's honestly pretty boring. Okay, I've just scribbled out some main key points which I would want to discuss. Now watch what happens when I upload it to Gemini with this prompt. You are an expert content editor for a finance blog targeting millennials. Rewrite the introduction to be more engaging while keeping the key points and compelling real-world examples for each financial concepts. Create custom subheadings that incorporate SEO keywords I have provided and add a practical action steps for each section at the end of each pager point. Also suggest 3 potential titles that would increase the click-through rates. After this, guys, in seconds, Gemini transforms my basic draft into engaging professional content that is ready to publish. Now I can make minor tweaks based on my writing style and tone, or I can post it directly also to my social media. There's one more interesting use case, guys. If you want feedback on your existing content, whether it is your YouTube video, Instagram video, or a LinkedIn post, you can upload that to Gemini and ask it for feedback. Gemini analyzes your content, then gives you strengths, weakness, and plan for making it better. The third hack is for designers and coders, guys. If you don't know how to code or design professionally, you need to know about these features. Gemini can save you tons of time on design tasks like creating landing pages to your website or creating an MVP for your application. First, click on the Canvas button and write what you want to be designed. For example, create a professional course landing page for my photography masterclass that includes a hero section with space for a header image, pricing tier for 3 different course levels, a testimonial section, an instructor bios area, a FAQ section, and use a clean modern design with a blue and gray color scheme. After this, Gemini writes the code for you, and you can click on the preview to see the design. You can literally build any website you want using this feature. It is like similar to what Lovable and Replit are capable of doing. You can even add a link of reference website or add a screenshot of any page and ask Gemini to code for you. Now in case you want to edit this design on Figma, you can go to Figma and install HTML to design plugin. Then copy the HTML code from Gemini and paste it into the plugin. And boom, guys, you now have a fully editable design. You can change colors, move elements and images all without knowing how to code. Now the fourth hack, guys. real-time screen interaction. This is something which most people don't even realize they can do. You can share your screen with Gemini and ask it questions about whatever you are looking at live. This is a total game changer, guys, if you're stuck and need instant help from an expert. For example, let us say I'm working on a complicated spreadsheets for a marketing project. I just hit the share screen button inside Gemini and show it my spreadsheet and then ask, hey Gemini, can you help me find trends in this data? You can also suggest 3 quick ways to visualize it for my client presentation. Gemini analyzes what's on my screen and gives me clear answers like highlighting the key growth areas, suggesting charts or graphs to use, and even writing a mini report based on the data it sees. And it is not just spreadsheets, guys. You can share your website design you're working on or YouTube videos you are editing, PDF documents you are reviewing, coding projects you are stuck on, literally anything you are seeing, and Gemini can help you understand, improve, or fix it in real time. Now here's the pro tip, guys. The more clearly you explain what you want Gemini to focus on during the screen sharing, the better and faster it responds. Don't say just help me, okay? Say analyze the trend in that sales data column between January to April, or suggest improvements to the landing page design based on best practices. So basically, guys, Gemini is a brilliant consultant who needs clear instructions. The vaguer you are, the worse your results will be. To get better results out of Gemini, you have to be specific with details. For example, instead of asking you to write an email, ask Gemini to write a professional follow-up email to a potential client who expressed interest in your marketing services but hasn't responded. You can also assign roles. For example, you can tell Gemini you are a senior business official or marketer or even CEO with a 15 years of experience. You can also break down the complex tasks into clear steps which will help you get dramatically better results. Now moving to the next section, guys. If sharing the screen wasn't crazy enough, here is something even cooler. You can literally talk to Gemini and use your webcam to show it things. Just like you're teaching a real person, right? Let's say you're a content creator. You can hold up a product you are reviewing and ask Gemini, what are the 5 key selling points I should highlight to this product based on what you see? And boom, it will help you script better reviews instantly. You can also show it charts, designs, or handwritten notes, demonstrate physical setup for tech support. You can get help with art, crafts, or real world projects, or even translating a real world banner just by pointing your camera at it. It's crazy, right? Yes, guys, this is all possible using Gemini 2.5 Pro. For whenever you are using your webcam, move the object slowly and clearly into the frame and describe what you are showing. The clearer you are, the smarter will be Gemini's responses. And now, before we wrap up, here is something most people miss. You can use Gemini 2.5 Pro in both Gemini app as well as Google's AI Studio. Now you will be like, what is the difference? So let me explain this to you. Google AI Studio gives you access to more advanced features like video generation, multimodal prompts, and custom model experiment. For example, the webcam feature which I told you, right? Or analyzing the YouTube video as an input. Okay, this all is possible in Google's AI Studio. On the flip side, the Gemini app is not multimodal, but it is lightweight, fast, and incredibly user-friendly. And here's the big one, guys. Only Gemini app has the Canvas feature, which is very useful for coding or doing real-time changes. This Canvas feature is not available in the AI Studio. So my advice is, guys, go on and try both the Gemini app as well as the Google's AI Studio. And finally, guys, here's the bonus surprise trick that 99% of the people don't know. You can turn on Google search grounding in Gemini's setting in Google AI Studio. This means that when Gemini answers your question, it's also checking the latest real-world information from Google. This will make your results way more accurate and up to date. So guys, I would like to end the video here, and I hope the video was helpful to you. And do not forget to check out the video on my channel about Agent Space and Google's AI agents. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI hacks.